come dey happy say this kind man e comot wey be say na him we sef we dey take dey proud say at least. So wetin I dey try to talk be say for im own village, town, state wey e from come, dem value am and dem know say dem lose somebody. People gather together, dem dey cry, dem dey mock the man say dem lose important person. And for those people wey dey talk say na Nnamdi Azikiwe na him kill this man, na rubbish blog una dey.
And the so-called prophets, they may be rejoicing, this and that, but I'm telling you, the man is resting at the bosom of Abraham.
Correct.
That is why you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. A good afternoon, a good evening. How una dey? I hope everybody is fine. Yes, my name na Mummy J. Today I don carry waka come as usual. Me, I used to carry waka. So wetin I bring waka come for una today na about this death of this our pastor TB Joshua. Na im matter na im I carry waka come today. Everybody don already know say the man don die. This one no be say na plank or na joke, abi na fake. No. All of us don know say na true say the man of God don go rest in the bosom of God. Yes. And wetin make me come dey do this video wey I dey do, I don first post the man video, the last word wey him talk about him birthday, when he talk say he no sure say the birthday e go take place due to say he consider the situation of the country. Therefore, he no wan put people for risk, so they go postpone the birthday next year, next time. So the man take explain to people say he no want to celebrate the birthday. I don post that one. So, but this one, why I come outside be say this man don die. Everybody knows say the man don die. And trust me, people miss the man. That man is a messiah of some set of people. What I mean by set of people. This man is a friend. The man wey he die so, this Joshua, he be friend to all poor people. The man no be pastor wey dey make friend with who get money. There are some pastors, if you no get money, they no sabi you. If you no even come church, they no miss your absence. When you get money, now they go dey remember say Mr. Lagbaja, Pastor Lagbaja, Sister Lagbaja, Mama Lagbaja, he no come to church. This man no dey for that category. Glory be to God. If you die, they go talk wetin me too don do. They go talk wetin yourself don do. Me, I dey talk and say the man no fall for that category where he dey be friend to only rich people. This man be friend to people wey be say they no get anything. I watch this man video where he go to Calabar. If you see the place where he go to, you find somebody wey be say he poor, he go bless am. How many people you don put smile for him face since you become your pastor wey you dey be a pastor, daddy G-O, daddy G-E-E, daddy mommy, oh. Since when you don carry that crown put for your head or that giant name put for your head, how many people don see you smile? How many people you don bless? How many people don smile? You don put smile for him face? Because I dey hear say people dey talk anyhow. Some people dey talk anyhow. I get my reason why I dey talk this. This man is a friend to poor people. He's a friend. This man a friend to some set of people like widows. He be friend to them. Motherless people. He be friend to them. People where they no get hope. He be friend to them. You are sick. He be friend to you. You dey sad. He be friend to you. You dey frustrated. This man a friend to you. The man dey for all of them. And this death when he die, so now you go tell no say the man dey for poor people. He's a messiah for some set of people. Now he don't die, he don't go. Why una come dey talk bad about somebody wey don't die? Why una dey judge person wey dey alive? I don't know the man from nowhere, but I know that we stay for the same environment, because if you stay for Ikoto, if na God they give different states breeze where they breathe in, na the same breeze we dey breathe in, because he stay for Ikoto, me too I stay for Ikoto. So for this, that is the only thing wey I fit talk say I know about am. I know in church we dey pass there every time. If you dey comot, you must pass there. If you like to slow, you go slow, move, you catch you for there, you go drop, you must strike reach in church. So no tell me say whether na know where I know why they talk this one. People fit dey carry rumor, because people no fit do as I dey like this. Dem must carry my rumor. People must carry your own rumor too. But why una not just for Christ loud? Una leave judgment for God who create you, all of us. Why person go come die finish, una go still dey mock am? Why person go die finish, una go dey happy? I know my reason why I am talking so. E get one man wey come from Ghana. Before I will go there, let me just quickly talk about this. Imagine among of people wey this man be friend to. No say this man come from Akoko, Arigidi for Akoko. That's where this man come from. You believe say their chief for the country, for the state, the man according to the chief, the Oba of the, he say the TB Joshua, he say he pay and visit TB Joshua. He say he pay and visit for Arigidi, Akoko in Ondo State. Now there this man from come. He say the Saturday night when he die, he say he see the sign. So in the asking security, say wetin dey happen for that side. He say the nurse come like crusade. So na so for this, he say the man want make them bury him for in state. So he come dey beg on behalf of the church members, may they allow the man to come back home, come rest. If to say the man no wan come back home, come rest, say the man no go appear to am like that. Say he sit down for him palace, the man come pay and visit the day when he die, come to am. So for this, may they allow the man to go back home and sleep there final. Why the church members they want him to be buried for inside the synagogue there? I don't know how you guys feel it too. That is not what I'm going to. I branch there for you to see how people love the man. They no hate him for the town when he from come. That's why I branch there. They no hate the man for the town when he from come. This man confirmed, the king confirmed, say the man na him buy them transformer where they no get light and then they pay bill. The man thought say na giant loss, na in loss, in lose, even this lose we didn't lose. No be only we, na all the old Akoko na him lose like they say. And to God, this man is a proud to Nigeria. If una no know, me I talk and say, because this man, if you be prophet for your own village, nobody they value you. Now distance people, now they go they value you just as they do for Jesus Christ. This man, if una know how this man they important, now when you miss with other country, some people cannot sleep without this man picture. Some people they waka with him in Abon and everything. Is their own Messiah. Is that not proud of the country where the man from come? So me I not see the reason why people go come dey happy say this kind of man he come out. We be say na him we say we dey take the proud say at least. So wetin I dey try to talk we say for your own village, town, state where you from come, they value am and they know say they lose somebody. People gather together, they cry, they mop the man say they lose important person. And for those people where they talk say na the Azikwe na him kill this man, na rubbish blog na the blog so now. But if he keep person, because the man don't talk say who no support am for Biafra, he no go live long. Does it mean say he don't go kill the man? Why una dey talk like this? Why una dey talk like this? Why una no blog better till wey God will take promote una, no be to dey talk rubbish. Because if now they talk this kind of thing now, if now where they arrest person, so they will come go arrest the man, say na he kill person. Allegation where now they carry give the man, so you know good. Me I not believe anything happened to this man, because I remember 2 weeks ago where one girl go on trance, the video, the man, that thing was live. Where this girl, small girl was delivered message, the girl thought say one star go fall for, you go fall, we go shake all the whole wall. And he say something terrible will happen to Nigeria these few days. Make everybody pray. Nobody don dey kill for everywhere, so nobody the star don fall so. So me I no believe say this in death e get anybody hand inside. Na in time don reach. E no get anybody hand inside. Because even according to the wife Stella, he say im husband dey very healthy, nothing happen to her. Now just few days. This just anybody can tire, anybody can just feel sick at any moment. And he say just see and say, he just sit down for chairs like that. He just look and say, what happened? He no pass like that, no be serious sick like that. Na just no light something like that. This man still do service. He give people service, and the man, if you see better person wey wan die, no stress no dey dey. Na so God people dey die. So therefore, this man believe say if he spend extra time during this time, if he lose heaven, God himself wey create am, he no wan make this man lose heaven. If everybody be like, more na condemn am. More than that, the man don die, don go rest. And I believe in God, say this rest, where this go, when he go, so he go see him papa. Because nobody fit judge anybody. You no clean, I no clean. Nobody clean. Someone will start to dey judge ourselves. The thing where this man they do for people, you no fit do the half of it. You wey dey condemn person, where they talk anyhow. Imagine, it is a day easy to dey help people. It is not every time the man they get money for hand, but because he get the spirit of helping, if na him last money, he go take and help. I bet let give kudos to people who say they get spirit of helping. To help, not be easy thing. You say sometimes you not be say you get, then make you the help, but if you don't get the spirit, you go help. You don't get choice. So why una come dey talk say na one kind person I kill am, and why una dey happy? Okay, wetin I dey talk? Come on and see this man. Look at this man. The man come from where he say he come from. The man come from which country he come from? You believe say the man they rejoice? They call the man say that Pastor Jackson. Senyanga. In they celebrate TB Joshua in death. He say the man na fake prophet. You when you they call person fake prophet, be like say na Ghanania, abi na South Africa. I don't even know the country. I forget to write the country down. But that is the man you are seeing on the skin. So now the man, how you they look so. Where in the talk say his name na Pastor Jackson Sanyanga. Where in they celebrate somebody wey don't die. You they celebrate somebody wey don't die. You they rejoice, you they jubilate, they happy. Because in power pass your power. He overweigh you, no let you reign. You can't be happy, say the man don't die. Say na fake pastor, he good as he die. Because he no agree you. Because the man gets a church for South Africa. Yes, I got it. South Africa. Now this man from come so. Where he dey jubilate. And I know say no be only him one they jubilate. Some people still dey there. We say that they're happy. They jubilate, say the man don't die. You see him? But if you jubilate for somebody where he die, and he die better, see the kind die where he die. When you people they say they cry for him. People still they talk say no, Papa never die. He must wake up. He must wake up. Your own, nobody go chook mouth for ground talk am. For your face when you lie down for there, they go they tell you akutuku alone. Because you never even benefit. Nobody benefits anything from you. So more will stop that they judge ourselves. And now this is the question. Where do you think is good to bury TB Joshua? In Nagidimbi, Akoko, or in church for synagogue? Because according to this man, I'm trying to look for the man name. They say the man come from northwest local government area of Ondo State. This Oba Yisa Olanipekun. Oba Yisa Olanipekun. Now they appeal, they beg people, say make them please, make them allow the man to come back home, to come and rest. He said because other prophets they go work for outside, they last come back home. He take for instance, he say okay, look at this the elder of K&S church, which is Moses Orimolade. He said that man, they brought him back to Ikare, where he belonged to. He talk about another one, wey be CAC Baba. He say Ayo Babalola. He say then take him back to Ikeji, Arakeji, Ikeji, Arakeji. They say that he said they take him back, and he made mention of another pastor. He said Timothy Obadare was taken to Ilesha in Osun State. We all know those people. Say they are the giants among others. So why will our own be different? The man, they ask people like that. Say since Obadare was back home, Moses Orimolade as well was back home, and Baba Ayodele Babalola was as well back home. Why TB Joshua no go back home? Say so may they allow the man to return back home. Say because the man really want return back home, that's why the man show face to her. Immediately he die, come back home, he can't show face to the man. The man where they call his name the Oba of Yisa Olanipekun. Now they talk like that too. Say they beg the church member, may they allow the man to come back home. And that is me. I don't know as you feel, oh. I don't know as you way they hear me feel, but me, oh, as the man where he die himself, I believe say he no be small person. I believe say that kind of person, if he don't talk unto his wife, say take me back home, oh, in case maybe one of your close church member, maybe go don't talk and say take me back home, oh, in case we don't know. But if like the man not talk, say okay, take me back home, oh, if anything like this happen, if I die, take me back home. If the man never talk him, I think our elderly people, they say they are journeying from anywhere to anywhere. At last you go back home and make your rest there. If happens to then take this man back home, I'm not sure say anything bad for them. No matter say he gets all everything for Lagos, you know what I mean? May they not take him back home as the man demand, the king demand for him. And the man say he go take care of everything. Say because the man is good to them, and they lose him and they want to give him the life's respect, and they want him to come back home because he strongly believes say the man want to come back home. That is the reason why the man appear to him after he don't die. So my people, how you see him? May they return him back to Akoko or make him sleep for Ikotun Igbi for synagogue church. Which one did you think is good? Make it drop. And mind you, bear it in mind, say it is time for TB Joshua to go back home and rest. No be Kano kill him. No be anybody kill him. And for those who know they say na fake pastor, why you no leave the judgment for God? Make you judge him. You when you be fake pastor, wait till you take your money do. No be church you take and build. You build many churches. How many church the man build? They gain money for the church where they build. No be school you take your own money do. That school where you take money do, how many poor people they attend them? Poor people feel near there. You when you no be fake pastor, when you they see pastor where you be fake today just because of say you are envy, you are jealous. All money where you they see, how many people where you poor, where you don't help? No be friend of rich people you they do. No be inside politician you say they make friend. You follow poor people make friend. You yes now you are the talk to. You when you be pastor, when you be say you be original pastor, you no be fake. Oh. Be like say you faint today, may you no get up for 2 days. See whether people go cry for you. All people will cry for you. Now your family and your church member and all your rich people where they follow. No any poor people go cry for you. Go look as poor people they cry for TB Joshua. Definitely is a man of person. Is a man of God. Because don't forget that God said, when I am naked, you clothe me. I am hungry. You feed me. I'm thirsty. You give me water. What am I saying? He said, if you are doing it to the poor people, you are as well do it for me. So, therefore, anybody where they help poor people, God love them. You where they build your church, you get university, you get secondary school, you they get money for them. You do have free. But this man, they see money, they waka go town, they waka go street. e dey see inside church, e dey see people wey e fit come, wey e fit change their life, put smiling in their face, yet you are still sitting down on one spot claiming you are pastor, claiming you are prophet, claiming you are prophetess. Can you change? Just change. You can still change, because God love person wey be say e be sinner. If you still change, e go receive you. No let that your position deceive you. Say you be prophet, you be pastor, you be this, you be that, but you no get any good thing wey dey fit write about you. I said, just close your eyes, be like say you die for one day. See who go cry for you. No poor person go cry for you. The poor will be rejoicing, say glory be to God, because you have blocked a lot of things that they supposed to see. They no fit see. In the sake of saying they use your position, they write them. You see down there, they claim pastor na fake. This be just na fake. Abeg, mona take am easy. Repent. Make sure you repent. Stop to dey condemn people. Na wetin I carry come for today be that o. Are you still believing the man is a fake pastor? I don't care. Keep on believing, but God is the one that will judge me and you, and not we. He no give anybody judgments, make he judge. Na him go judge us. So no, we stop to the judge. True, the man don't die, don't go rest. Now, where to bury the man? They never conclude. What really killed the man? People are still waiting. It's just a light sickness. According to Stella, it is his wife. That's what the woman said. And they believe say na God na he call a husband. Where a husband go rest. Say nothing else happen. So my dear, that's so it be for today. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me, and I'll be giving you the latest. God bless you. I love you all. Bye.